Hello guys. Many people face this problem, how to use a three-phase AC supply in Proteus. So today we have brought a video for you, in which we will explain how to generate a three-phase AC voltage. Today we are going to make a Y-connected AC source, which will be connected with a Y-connected load. First of all, we select three sinusoidal voltage sources. Then we connect the negative terminals of all three sources to ground. In the same way, we connect the load in Y form. We also connect the neutral point of the load to ground. After that, we connect the three positive terminals of the source to the corresponding terminals of the load. Now we set the source parameters, voltage, frequency, and phase angle. Normally, the voltage magnitude is 220 volts, which is the RMS value. But in Proteus, we need to set the peak value. So we multiply 220 by under root 2 to calculate the peak voltage. One of the most important things is the phase angle. For a three-phase supply, it is necessary that the phase difference between each phase is 120 degrees. So we calculate the required time delay using the formula shown on the screen. Now it is time to connect the oscilloscope and observe the output. As we can see, we are getting exact three-phase AC voltages. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel.